Another day, another story. Print on demand. Print on demand allows sellers to customize white label products with their own designs and sell them only after a customer buys, eliminating the need to hold inventory, which is what makes it a subset of dropshipping. When a customer places an order, a print on demand company will add your design to the product, fulfill the order, and ship it to the customer. The most significant advantage print on demand offers over dropshipping is that you control the aesthetic of your products, a key differentiator for product categories where the design is the distinguisher, like t-shirts or fan merch. When it comes to making money online, you can also use print on demand services too. Test online business ideas or new products lines without the risk of buying inventory. Monetize an audience you've already built, whether it's on YouTube, social media, or a personal blog. Offer diverse products by selling t-shirts, books, shoes, bags, mugs, phone cases, laptop skins, wall art, and more. Sell photos online by placing your images on physical products to sell to your fans. Overall, print on demand lets you create customized products quickly. You don't have to worry about shipping or fulfillment, it's taken care of by your suppliers. And since you have no inventory to worry about, it's a low risk, low investment way to make money online. Startup time, a few hours to set up an e-commerce platform, then however long it takes to create your designs. Effort to start, very easy with little e-commerce knowledge. Time to first payment, it depends on when you get your first sale and which e-commerce platform you decide to use, but Shopify's pay periods are 5 business days. What to know? You can set up accounts with e-commerce platforms like Shopify that have the logistics included in their services. Payments will vary depending on how much you sell and your profit margins. Pay period using Shopify payments is 5 days, plus the number of days remaining until your payout day. Requirements. Most e-commerce platforms require that you're at least 18 years of age. If you're under the age of 18, your parents can start one on your behalf. Requirements vary by state, but you need to have licenses or permits to sell anything online.